everyone to our blanket folding 101 for our how to teach restorative yoga for everybody. This will just give you a little bit of an idea of how we're going to go through and fold the blankets, and also to give us a common language so that we all know what each other is talking about as we go through. So we're going to start with a yoga blanket is what we're using. If you don't have a yoga blanket, obviously you can use a cotton blanket or anything with the approximate size as a yoga blanket. This is unfolded, obviously. To start our what's called the basic or the standard fold, we bring the two short ends together, which on the yoga blanket are the fringe edges. And we have this nice fold along the top. From here, we bring the two short ends together again, kind of like a book. And using this as a mindfulness. Here we go. As a mindfulness practice, we want no wrinkles in our blanket. So from here, we fold the short ends together again so that the fringe is at the bottom. This is called our basic or our standard fold. From here, I'll show you the square fold. And for the square fold, we are right here with our basic fold, and we bring those two short ends together. And we have a square. It's called a square fold because it's a square. So there we have that. For a rectangle fold, we come back to this basic fold and we bring the two long sides together. So that is our rectangle. From the rectangular fold, we have what's called a long rectangular fold. So for the long rectangular fold, we're here at our half fold. We come into the fold where we folded it like a book. And from here, I like to take it down onto the floor so that there are no wrinkles or creases in the blanket. I take this open edge, this raw edge, and bring it in a third of the way. Then bring the other third on top. And you see you have this lovely, long, rectangular pose. From our basic fold, we'll do the roll. So for the roll, once again, I'm going to bring it down onto the floor so we can smooth it out and make sure there are no wrinkles. And I like to take that fringe edge and fold it up. And once we have the fringe edge folded up, we'll just do this nice roll. So you have a nice tight roll here that we use for many things in class that we will talk about. So this is a full roll. We also have what's called a half roll. So for the half roll, we'll bring that edge up, that fringe edge, and just roll this halfway down your blanket. So we have this half roll with half of the blanket nice and flat on the floor. So those are the two rolls that we will be starting from in our class. So those are the basic folding, blanket folding techniques, thank you. Techniques that we'll use in class. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you all. And if there's any questions, you can put it in the stream or ask the teacher in Google Classroom. So thank you so much.